everyone, welcome to my weekend reset routine, guys. It's no news, this is one of the videos I absolutely enjoy filming for you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I am in my music and dancing mood today, guys. As you guys can see, I mean, there is nothing, oh my gosh, there is nothing as fun as cleaning and cooking and just going around your home doing things and listening to music, guys. And honestly, Afrobeat has this way of like hyping you up and like, you know, and like making you feel so happy from the depth of your soul, guys. So of course I'm jamming to my music, and like I said, this is gonna be a Sunday reset, a weekend reset, whatever reset vlog, reset routine. You guys know all the good stuff. So as you guys saw, we started off with the laundry. Of course, during the weekends, this is the time I love to use and do the kids laundry, because during school time, you know, they use a lot of clothes throughout the school week. So during the weekends, I love to go ahead and, you know, do laundry, clean up their clothes and all those things. And of course, I proceeded to vacuum and also proceeded now to make up our bed, guys. I mean, it's the weekend. I love to change our beddings and, you know, just make everywhere look nice and clean. That was a super quick clean, guys, and of course we're gonna proceed to the kitchen. And as you guys can see, I placed an order and it was delivered, so I went out quickly, picked up my bags. Oh my goodness, guys, I mean, I live like, I love a life of ease. I'm not sure about you, but I prefer the fact that, you know, nowadays you can use DoorDash, you can use so many delivery services to, you just stay on your computer, order whatever it is you want, and they deliver it right in front of your home. I just love that fact, guys. And of course, during this weekend, I was craving coconut rice, guys. Oh my goodness, coconut rice and turkey. So I knew that was exactly what I wanted to make for the family for this weekend. So I proceeded to, you know, get those things that I need to make the food, and we're just going to quickly go ahead and cook. We're going to cook from the scratch, guys. Previously, when I make coconut rice, I love to like get the milk. You know how, I'm not sure if you guys know, but they sell the coconut milk in the supermarket, but that doesn't really give that natural coconut taste, you know, when you use it to make your coconut rice. So I decided to get fresh coconut. So you guys are gonna see that is exactly what we're gonna be doing. But before then, of course, I want to stay hydrated. I've been working literally for over 2-3 hours. I know that it's so funny how when you film and edit, it makes like it looks as if it's just 2, 3, 5, 10 minutes, right? But that can be maybe a 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hours video. I've been cleaning literally all morning, so of course we have to hydrate, and I'm using a sparkling water. You know, I love to drink sparkling water a lot. I'm trying as much as possible to stay away from, you know, like beverages and sugar and all those things. So sparkling water is like the perfect blend, because it still gives you that you know, feel when you drink it. You guys, I'm not sure if you understand what I'm saying, but anyways, I went ahead, I cut up our turkey, and then I cut up some onion, added it, and as you guys can see, we're gonna go ahead now and season up the turkey. One thing about turkey is not like chicken. Like chicken, under 15, 20, 25 minutes it's done, but with turkey, you want to cook your turkey for a little bit longer, maybe 30, 45 minutes, so that way, you know, it's soft. My mom doesn't like our chicken. She says our chicken, meaning American chicken. She said American chicken is too soft for her liking. So ever since she's been here, I've been trying to use turkey, because turkey is like, it has more of a harder a harder texture, basically. Like my mom, she loves old layers, but I believe what we use here is broiler chicken, so but anyways, you guys, I know I digressed, but yep, I went ahead, I seasoned the chicken, put it on fire, and as you guys can see, we're going ahead to hammer the coconut. This is a very simple and easy way I love to open up my coconut. Just hammer it and everything will be out. And as you guys can see, I cut up the whole thing, adding it to my blender. I'm gonna add water, blend it, sieve it, and I'll be able to get out the milk. I find this to be the easiest and the most simplest way of getting your coconut milk, guys. It's very like, it doesn't even take a lot of time, and you actually know exactly what is inside whatever it is you're cooking. And oh my gosh, you guys, I'm a very huge fan of jollof rice, but when it comes to coconut rice, like, coconut rice has this very special place in my heart, because I remember growing up, my mom loved making coconut rice a lot, and I just learned how to make it, and I'm just a very huge fan of coconut rice, guys. And this is exactly how we used to make it back home, fresh, with the coconut nut and all those things. And when I came to this country, I started using the one from the supermarket, but like I said, the one from the supermarket is never the same. But as you guys can see, the girls are here, they are helping me out. Angelique and Angel, they absolutely love spending time with me in the kitchen. They were actually busy with their schoolwork. When they finished, they came down, they joined me in the kitchen, and even though I'm jamming to my Afro beats, she's just here like hyping me up, even though she doesn't know what I'm listening to. But yeah, she's cutting up she cut up the pepper, the onion, and Angel is gonna help us with the shrimps. But yeah, I'm checking my chicken. I love to kind of saute the chicken. I said chicken. You see the problem? I'm so used to chicken that even when I'm using turkey, I'm talking about chicken. But yeah, as you guys can see, our turkey is ready. It's looking nice and scrumptious and delicious. And yep, I'm gonna quickly go ahead and blend out the pepper, the onion, while Angel is working on the shrimp. And also, I forgot to show you guys, I also used a little bit of ginger and a little bit of garlic, blended the whole thing. And as you guys can see, I only used pepper. I didn't use tomatoes for this recipe. I don't remember my mom using tomatoes when she makes fried rice, so I'm just using only pepper, red bell pepper, I say Cameroon pepper, Jamaican hot pepper, and onion. Those are the ones I blended. And over here, I'm just gonna go ahead and fry up the shrimp, saute it, and yeah, we proceed to making the coconut rice. So to make the sauce for the coconut rice, as you guys can see, I minced a little garlic inside my olive oil. And as you guys can see right here, I'm adding my blended pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, and I'm just going to stir it up, allow it to dry out. If you don't want your coconut rice to have that kind of earthy, watery taste, as you guys can see, I dried out that water before then proceeding to now season with, more pepper, a little bit of curry, adobo, no seasoning. You want to make sure that your sauce tastes really good, and then you're gonna go in with your milk, you know, your coconut milk, and also the stock from your turkey. That is exactly what I added there. Mixed up the whole thing, and then I added my rice, and I'm using basmati rice for the very first time. I've heard a lot about basmati rice, so I was like, you know what, let's try it out. And oh my gosh, you guys, I love the texture, I love the smell of the rice. Yeah, you know, I've always heard about basmati rice, so I was like, let me try it with this coconut rice, and I absolutely loved it, guys. I'm the type of person that I don't like cooking and having my kitchen all a mess. I love to cook, you know, clean out as I'm cooking, as I'm cutting, I'm cleaning out, and then once the food is finally on fire for the last time, I'm just, you know, I love to go ahead and clean up like my countertop, do the dishes, make sure everywhere is nice and clean, because if I don't do this right now, when I'm done cooking, when I'm done cooking and eating, I'm not gonna have the energy to do it, right? But even though most of the time the girls, they are always the ones that do the dishes after cooking, but since I had the energy and I was waiting for the food to be ready, I just took that time to wash out the dishes, and by the time I was done, food was ready. What's the weekend without a very nice plate of hot spicy rice, guys? Of course, I'm gonna have me my dinner with the kids, and yep, you guys, I really really look forward to the weekend, because it's as if during the work days, you know, like the kids are running to school, parents, we are running to work, everybody is like on their high, you know, trying to get things done. But during the weekend, it's like that is the perfect time to just unwind and take your time. And yep, you guys, I believe that is all there is to this video. As you guys can see, I went ahead, I took my shower, and over here I'm just doing my skincare, and I'm just gonna go relax, you know, look for a movie and watch. I'm actually watching the show I used to watch back in the day, One Tree Hill on Hulu, and guys, I'm hooked. One Tree Hill got me right now, guys. But anyways, guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and please don't forget to hit the like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Until my next video, I will see you all very soon. Love you. Bye.